Hey, your Boy Crypto Expat, back with another video, and I'm very excited because today is a very special day. Today, Bitcoin has reached $18,000. Now, we haven't seen this since December 2017. 3 years, if you guys can remember back that long, were you in crypto at that time? Let us know, leave a comment below. In this video, I'm going to show you where you can see the price going, where you can pretty much predict where it's going to go, okay? I'm going to show you how to do this a very, very simple way. So stick around to the end of this video. If you're a new subscriber, thanks for subscribing. If you're a new visitor, you need to subscribe ASAP so then you get all my uploads and notified by Google immediately. So let's get into the content. BTC has hit $18,000. It was $17,600 when I went to bed last night. Woke up this morning. It had gone over 18,000. It's very exciting because I'm looking at the information on CoinGecko, and this is how you tell if there's a pending bull run or whether BTC is going to be going up long term or even short term. Okay, now there's a lot of people out there that do technical analysis on YouTube, and that stuff is helpful. However, technical analysis is really more for traders, okay? For hodlers like myself, and you might be a hodler, you're not into trading, you don't want to sit in front of a computer screen and watch little lines go up and down. You might just want to just buy it for the long term, okay? Then this is what you do. When you look at CoinGecko, you want to look at a couple of things, all right? You want to look at a couple of things. And up here, it will show you this market cap of cryptocurrency. So the total market cap, total money that is in cryptocurrency. According to CoinMarketCap, there's $519 billion right now. It's going up 8% in 24 hours. And basically, this number is very, very important because, see that 8%? That means some, $40 billion has come into the market in the last 24 hours. Now, this money, this $30 or $40 billion, this is not from just, people switching from altcoins and then flipping into Bitcoin because they want to ride the wave and make gains on the way out. No. This is money from outside, new money. And this is really, really important. New money, 8%, some $30, $40 billion has come into the market. That's a lot of coin, right? Obviously, and that's come from outside. So where's it coming from? I'll talk about that in a second. The other thing that you want to look at is this BTC Dominance. Now, it's been hovering around 64, but this is the highest I've ever seen it, okay? Now, in 2017, if you remember, BTC hit an all-time high in December the 11th, I believe. It was about 19.5, 19.6, depending on which exchange you looked at. But it was around about 19,500. It hit an all-time high. Now, I believe that we could hit an all-time high before the end of the year. So we could surpass that. We could hit 20 grand. It's still 11th, mid-November or so, 18th of November. So we've got another month and a bit. I think it will hit 20,000. I think we're going to hit an all-time high in 2020. So that sets us up for 2021. So this BTC Dominance, and what that basically means is that 64.9% of total crypto in the total market of cryptocurrency is held in BTC. And this is very, very important. Okay, so we're at this website called WhaleMapio. We're having a look at the charts. You can just create a free account, then you'll be able to get access to the chart. So this is really interesting because if we scroll out, we can see as of October, late October, we've got these huge deposits of BTC that is just sitting in a wallet. And as you can see here, we've got the gauge here at 1,000 BTC to 10,000 BTC. So what that means is these wallets contain more than 1,000 BTC, and there's a bunch of them. Okay, there's heaps. There's actually quite a lot of Bitcoins here. Okay, they're all sitting in these wallets here. Okay, so this is the 10,000 to 1,000 to 10,000 BTC range, okay, so now we are at the maximum range of 10,000 plus BTC sitting in one wallet. Okay, so more than 10,000 BTC sitting in one wallet. The bigger the blue, the bigger the BTC in the wallet. And if we look at the smaller, it's still quite substantial, right? So as you can see, all these BTC wallets, they're just sitting here. They've been sitting here since like October, mid-October. There's a huge one there, and they're just sitting in there. Okay, they haven't moved yet. They're just sitting in there. They're waiting for this price to go up. And you can study more of this stuff. Just go to WhaleMapio. Okay, so we know that there's a lot of BTCs just in this wallet, sitting in multiple wallets all along this, say from 11,000 upwards to now. Basically, there's just tons of wallets with 10,000 plus BTC sitting in it. If we have a look at this one here, BTC holding in publicly traded companies. So these are the companies that actually tell people that they've publicly bought BTC. There's probably more that haven't, but you know, some of these well-known companies like Square, CoinShares, MicroStrategy, Grayscale is the biggest of 449,000 BTC. That's absolutely nuts. So you can see that this was October the 9th. They had so the price of BTC in October the 9th was, we go back to our whale map, was around 10,000. So basically they've doubled their money. So whatever they had, 449,000 at 10,000, they would double their money. Basically, they just double their money within a month. That's a lot. That is a lot of money. Grayscale just made a lot of money. I mean, so did MicroStrategy, so did Square. I mean, so did all these guys. They just made a shitload of money, like billions of dollars. So let's go back to the BTC Dominance. We'll just watch that. Okay, watch the BTC Dominance, and that's also important. I don't think this is going to move too much, but this is the one you want to look at, this market cap. Okay, so when this market cap goes up, it's direct proportion to the price. Okay, so the BTC Dominance is not going to move much. Market cap goes, this is very basic, very, very basic. Okay, this is all you need to know about where BTC is headed. Market cap goes up, the price will go up. Okay, BTC Dominance is, maybe it's going to shift 5% each way, but it's not going to move much, so don't really worry about that. More money that comes into the crypto space, market cap up, price goes up. Market cap drops, the price drops. Very simple. That's all you need to know. That's very simple and plain and simple. When BTC was at an all-time high of 19,500 in 11th of December 2017, the market cap back then was around $800 billion. It was almost $1 trillion. Well, it wasn't almost. It was $200 billion off $1 trillion, but still, it was around about $800 billion. Right now, it's $519 billion. Now, back in December, the BTC Dominance was only like 45%. Okay, so now there's more money in BTC, so the market cap doesn't have to be as high. All right, but still, if we look at this, that means that if we get to a market cap of around 650 billion, or maybe 700 billion, for sure, the BTC price is going to be over 20,000. Okay, so that's how you can figure it out. So just keep an eye on the market cap up here in CoinGecko. When that goes up, BTC is going to go up. Very plain and simple. So the average person that is working a job, they're just trying to survive, right? These are your janitors, these are your people that collect the rubbish. These are the people that are the workers. These are the people that keeping the economy going. Your nurses, your carpenters, all these people, your regular everyday people that are either below middle class or middle class, and they're just trying to survive, right? They're not worried about the price of BTC. Most of them don't even know about BTC, let alone cryptocurrency. Okay, they're just trying to survive day by day. Then you got the sort of middle class to upper class, which is like, your doctors, dentists, lawyers, all these sort of people, which still work a day job. They're still working, flipping for pay, but they're more upper class. They're just bigger rats in the wheel. That's all they are, okay? And they have connections. They know about BTC. They know about cryptocurrency. They have some financial knowledge. They're educated. They may know about BTC. They might have some investments in BTC. They've probably got investments in stocks and bonds and all that sort of stuff, okay? So they're savvy about cryptocurrency. Some of them will be invested. Some of them won't. Then you've got the people at the top, right? The people at the top, the elites. These are the people that they have a circle of their friends, and they're probably all into BTC. They're probably all buying BTC. They're probably sitting in their mansion right now beside the pool in front of their laptop, and they're trading BTC, or they have BTC, and they just made a shitload of money when BTC went up, right? But the average Joe, they're too busy. They're too busy just trying to get by and just trying to survive, trying to pay their debts that are enslaving them. So what hope have they got? Well, they don't really have any hope unless get savvy or get more knowledgeable into these financial vehicles that can help them get out of their situation. But the sad thing about it, most people won't, because they just too brainwashed into the mainstream, and they think that they need to go to a day job to get ahead. And don't get me wrong, a day job is good, it pays the bills, but it's not long term. It's going to keep you enslaved. So a vehicle like cryptocurrency, like BTC, if you invest $1 today into BTC, in 5 years' time, that dollar could be $10 or could be $20. Okay, so why would you keep it in fiat? Move some of your savings, or or just create some sort of a vehicle that you can multiply your money so that you can eventually get out of your job. Obviously, it's not financial advice. Just seek a professional advisor for advice. But however, this is what I'm personally doing. This is what you should be doing if you're not already doing it. Convert some of your fiat out of the bank, which is not paying you any money, and put it into BTC, and this is how you're going to get ahead. Just keep on doing it and keep on buying BTC. Over the next 2 to 3 to 4 years, 5 years, you're going to be very happy you did. Let me know your thoughts below. Are you investing in BTC now? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50+ HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.